Hey guys, welcome to our channel. We're dedicated to constantly bring you evolving tech gadgets that are being manufactured by the creative minds out there to make life a little easier for you. In today's video, I'll be showing you 5 more of these incredible gadgets. You might need one of these yourself or as a gift to someone special to you. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and subscribe the channel, you don't want to miss any of our updates. Number 1. DriveMo Max X Portable Tire Inflator W7.4 Touchscreen. With a battery capacity of 12,000 mAh, the DriveMo Max X wireless portable tire inflator dominates the market. The auto shut-off feature and full touch screen make inflation more user-friendly and intuitive, respectively. There won't be any more waiting for the pumping up in the garage. In addition to operating wirelessly with the built-in battery, it can also be inflated by connecting it to a 12 volts DC port like any conventional rival, offering you options for simple air replenishment. The ideal companion for your travels is this one. Coming to number 2. Meazor 3D Future Laser Measure. Meazor 3D provides great precision to measuring convenience. Whether the task calls for a 3D floor plan designed for professional use or handwork measurement in daily life, the Ultra 3D adapter, which was created using a patent, provides a strong foundation for mastering three-dimensional measurement. The 3D spinner aids in capturing every detail in 360 degrees. Using the 90 degrees vertical repositioning stand, you can be confident that your Mesa 3D is always in the ideal position. There is nothing more straightforward than a 3D floor plan display. It is much more approachable from capture to execution. Set up your measuring point with a few clicks, and you'll have an auto-stitching multi-room 3D floor plan in a matter of seconds. Coming to number 3. Real Racer. First-person view, FPV, RC driving experience. The gap is wide open when it comes to FPV RC cars on the market today. Frequently, you must decide between FPV RC cars can be pricey and overly complicated or expensive and low-end. It fills the gap between the two and provides an excellent FPV RC experience at an affordable price. Real Racer is fully plug-and-play and uses a straightforward, vintage RC control. Activate it, connect your phone, and also, race. No complex setup or expertise is required. Make a video of your races and show it to your loved ones. View your home from a completely different angle. Utilize the high-definition 720p FPV camera to record every turn, jump, flip, and victory. Smartphone. Don't be afraid to compete on the most difficult racetracks thanks to the 4-wheel drive and completely independent suspension. You may confidently win the race on any surface, including marble. Our goal with the Real Racer is to produce an enjoyable, high-quality item that not only transports us back to our childhood but also enables us to view the world from a completely other angle. Many of us still have a childlike spirit. Very frequently we don't take the time to say that. An aspect of us. Coming to number 4. ControlPad 24 keys with analog control technology. The majority of PC games and apps accept the keyboard and mouse combo as normal, although it has some limitations. During the course of our investigation, Lance, the inventor of a novel analog keyboard governor method, came to our attention. The games on that page support aimpad hardware and have full analog movement. A game may still grind with a control pad even if it isn't on our list. It just implies that it hasn't been aged yet or may need some adjustments to function correctly. In games like CS::GO, your crosshair may remain perfectly straight while you move, providing you a tactical advantage over ordinary keyboards. One of the most intriguing analog keyboard peripherals we've seen is the Cooler Master ControlPad. With simply the ControlPad's keys, you can control your speed while flying and change your pitch, yaw, and roll. A single, controlled press can be used to walk, run, and steal. For you, this is a fantastic product. Coming to number 5. Playbulb Color. Smart color light and wireless speaker 2-in-1. There are 4 special lighting effects that help you make the most of Playbulb Color's interesting characteristics. They go by the names flashing, pulsing, rainbow, and rainbow fade. It has Bluetooth speaker capabilities as well. To bring music into any room in your home, including the living room, bedroom, study, and especially any location where music playback equipment might not be common, such as the bathroom, kitchen, and top-covered garden, you can simply swap it out for any E26 or E27 lamp you already own because it has a standard bulb shape. It is necessary for iOS devices to have iOS version 7 or higher, Android smartphones to have Android 4.3, and Bluetooth v4.0 or higher capability. Our free Playbulb X app has a music player. Playbulb Color performs exactly like a typical Bluetooth speaker, so you may keep using your favorite music player, such as iPhone Music. Choose your favorite playlist from your phone, where you can also adjust the lighting. So this is all about today's video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy the product, then the product buy link is in description. And if you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe our channel. Thank you.